Raj Soman.
Hey guys, you're watching Raj Soman Academy of Excellence. So, in Raj Soman Academy of Excellence, we are going to look at the YouTube Masterclass series. Now, what is this series all about? What is it actually teaching you? Okay, so before explaining what this YouTube Masterclass is all about, let me tell you about myself. Okay, see, because from whom you are learning is also very, very important. Okay, so my name is Kalidas. I'm a computer science engineer. I am a YouTuber. I already have my own YouTube channel. Okay. Now, okay, Kalidas, you have your own YouTube channel. That's fine. Why should I learn from you? Okay, now let me tell you. See, that YouTube channel which I told you I own, on the first 1.5 months, only on the first 1.5 months, I gained around 2.5k subscribers on the first 1.5 months. Okay, yeah, this is not, you might think like, oh, this is not so much subscribers, there are not so much subscribers, but let me tell you, like, there are so many people who are uploading videos regularly. I see them uploading like more than 50 videos or more than 100 videos for months, but still they are not gaining subscribers or views. See, the problem is that, see, they are spending lots of time on presentation, they are spending lots of time on editing. Yeah, that's good, but what they lack is they don't know how to optimize their YouTube channel. That is the biggest problem they are facing. So that's why I'm here to teach you about how to fix these problems, or if you're a new beginner, how to run a YouTube channel in an effective way. Okay, you're getting me, right? See, I'm not telling you that I have exactly figured out YouTube's algorithm. No, but I have my own, like, my conclusions. Okay, like, this is how this YouTube algorithm works. So let me give you one testimonial of myself. So once I have figured out this YouTube, like, let us take, like, once I am assumed that okay, this might be how this YouTube algorithm works. What I did is, on my seventh video, I gained around 1.5 lakh views, just on my seventh video. You're getting me, right? I gained around 1.5 lakhs views, and also I gained around 2.5k subscribers with just 1.5 months. So that's what I'm telling you. I have some tips for you guys. I have some tips which is really gonna help you to develop your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to lakhs or millions, whatever you can. Okay, so this basically, this YouTube masterclass is all about that. Okay, now let me tell you, like, for whom is this YouTube masterclass targeted for. Now, for example, you might have some cooking skills, you might have some dancing skills, you might have some singing skills, but don't know how to showcase it to the world, right? You don't know how to showcase it to your world. See, it's all about turning your passion into profit. Okay, see, it's good to have passion, but you need to turn that into profit. How do you do that? Then YouTube is one of the best platform to do that. Showcase your talents. Okay, not only that, not only about showcasing your talents, you can even train people, you can even educate people, you can solve people's problem, you can entertain people. So YouTube is all about that. Okay, but what happens is, people don't know how to optimize their channel because they lack some technical knowledge about how to run their YouTube channel, and that's why I'm here to teach you all from the scratch. Okay, now let me tell you, when will I post these videos, like, on how will I schedule my post. Okay, see, English videos, see, in this channel, actually, I think there are different languages, right? They're teaching in Tamil, they're teaching in English. So let me give you an idea on how I post and where you can find all these videos at a single place. See, English videos will be posted on alternate days. See, today if I am posting a video, you will see my next video on day after tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you won't see my video, you will see it on day after tomorrow. So I'll be posting on alternate days. Okay, in between days they might be posting some other videos, like some other language videos or something like that. So you'll see me posting on alternate days, and also you can access these videos, these English videos, directly from my playlist. You're getting me, right? So go to the playlist section on my YouTube channel. Okay, then from there you can directly access the English videos itself. Okay, thank you.